Not one, two, or three. Shah Rukh Khan does a Superman as he promotes Billu at 5 different events.
It's the year of marathons, but the one that is just about to unfold, we bet, will be king size as we bring to you Shah Rukh-a-thon. And what better way to begin than from his own home, Mannat. Yes, SRK's Billu Barber, Billu is hitting theatres this Friday. No surprise then that the superstar is painting the town red with promotions. Red also because Valentine's Day is just round the corner, and Shah Rukh, known as the eternal lover in Bollywood, made sure he started his promotional drive with love.
My most special message for love is come into my garden, my roses want to see you.
Just a stone's throw away from Mannat, we're now off to Mumbai's Taj Lands End Hotel, so let's see what King Khan has in store for us now. Diamonds may be a girl's best friend, but here at a jewellery event, Shah Rukh clearly made every woman's heart skip a beat. Diamonds were promptly forgotten. But we wonder if Shah Rukh has ever wooed a girl with diamonds.
ये शक्ल देखो दोस्त, ऐसा लगता है कि किसी को पटाने के लिए डायमंड देने की जरूरत पड़ेगी। मेरी आंखों में देखो और तुम समझ जाओगे।
Well, what can we say? If it's Shah Rukh Khan, how can he not take every girl's breath away? Now let's hop across to where King Khan is headed next. It's a plywood company's turn now, and SRK makes it a point to thank everyone who helped glue Billu together. I'm tired, but SRK still isn't. Finally, it was an internet portal which caught King Khan's fancy. A portal that promotes Billu and lets fans sign into various filmy contests. But asked if he wasn't exhausted after this whirlwind tour, this is what he had to say.
Just a fantastic person.
All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Maybe true for Jack, but certainly not for a big happy star. And Shah Rukh-a-thon finally comes to an end. Hope you enjoyed as much as we did. In Mumbai, Gitanjali Prasad for NDTV.
Find out why King Khan is buzzing around town.
Using his star power to the fullest, King Khan went on a promotional spree for his forthcoming release Billu, as he hopped from one promotional event to another, all in a day's work. So after interacting with the media at his Bandra residence, Shah Rukh kept the shutterbugs on the move as they tried to catch up with his pace. 5 events in all and one message from the Badshah.
Of course, the press people are unhappy to see me because they've been spending last 3 hours with me. So आज तो ख्वाब भी मेरे ही आएंगे आप लोगों को. हाँ, अब तो नाइटमेयर्स में भी आ जाऊंगा मैं. छोड़ूंगा थोड़ी ना. जब तक आप बिल्लू को हिट नहीं करा देंगे परेशान करता रहूंगा.
And though the controversy surrounding the title of the film seems to have ended, but the King Khan is still apprehensive. When asked if any of the Khans would get upset with the title of his next film, My Name is Khan, Shah Rukh replied,
See, मेरे को तो ये सब दुआ कर रहा हूँ कि बिल्लू शब्द से किसी को प्रॉब्लम ना हो. खान की बात तो हम बात नहीं करेंगे. देखिए, सेकंड पार्ट तो चला गया. मैं बार-बार सोचता रहता हूँ कि अगर किसी को लगा यार ये बिल्लू किसी को बुरा लग गया कि मेरा नाम बिल्लू है, ये भी निकालो. पिक्चर को मैं करूँगा क्या? और इरफान कितना है प्रियदर्शन? हाँ, फिल्म में प्रियदर्शन, मेरी फोटो होगी और यही पिक्चर होगी.
amidst all the media frenzy, King Khan ensured his fans weren't disappointed.
रानी जी, मेरा प्यार आपको बहुत बहुत प्यार. आपके लिए मैं गाना गा रहा हूँ फिर से. मर जानी मैं आपको वापस बुलाऊंगा और आपके साथ अगला गाना लव मेरा हिट सोनी है.
Come Friday and we hope Billu Babar proves to be a gift of love by King Khan to his fans on the Valentine's weekend. In Mumbai with Mihir Trivedi, this is Pia Hingorani.
I'm not a good PR person and I'm not a good media person. I'm just a fantastic person. इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे क्यों हूँ? क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है लोग मुझे पसंद करते हैं और हमारी फिल्म के साथ उनका मेल है.
And this time it is his home production, Billu Barber. Oops, Billu, that he is out to save. Post the controversy, Billu Barber will now release Sans the Barber, and Shah Rukh Khan used every possible stage to promote and sell the film.
तो ये सब दुआ कर रहा हूँ कि बिल्लू शब्द से किसी को प्रॉब्लम ना हो, क्योंकि पिक्चर का नाम ही हो. खान की बात तो हम बाद में करेंगे. देखिए, सेकंड पार्ट तो चला गया. मैं बार-बार सोचता रहता हूँ कि अगर किसी को लगा यार ये बिल्लू किसी को बुरा लग गया कि मेरा नाम बिल्लू है, ये भी निकालो, तो पिक्चर को मैं करूँगा क्या? और इरफान कितना है प्रियदर्शन? हाँ, फिल्म बाय प्रियदर्शन, मेरी फोटो होगी और यही पिक्चर होगी. So I'm hoping till day after tomorrow nobody has a problem with the term Billu.
The Midas Khan was out to prove that with or without the barber, if it's SRK, it's bound to be a hit.
बिल्लू कहें या उल्लू कहें, कुछ भी कहें, लोग तो आएंगे ही और इंशाल्लाह देखेंगे भी और हंस के भी जाएंगे, खुश होकर जाएंगे.
What I do in my job is what I do, and I don't need to hear it from anyone else. I don't take when people compliment me very seriously, and I don't take when people deride me very seriously. I know what I do, and I wish to continue to do so. So if somebody thinks I'm ex-PR or ex-media or ex-marketing or ex-corporate or ex-CEO, no. People who work with me, Neeraj, there are lots of people who work with me. They know who I am and what I do. I'm not a good PR person and I'm not a good media person. I'm just a fantastic person.
It's too late to change the title Billu Barber, but Shah Rukh Khan is doing whatever possible to not upset people, right, Shah Rukh?
Yeah, I had a discussion with the Association of Hairdressers and Salon from Maharashtra and elsewhere. I spoke to them on the phones. And, I think maybe we were never wrong in using the word barber because that's what we stand by. I think it's a term. But they have their own take on that. So instead of going to and fro and trying to find out who's right, who's wrong, the film has been made, Billu has been made with a good feeling about love, about goodness. I'm like, listen, if it's hurting somebody, let me not do it. It's not going to affect my film. The reason I really relented is that they were not aggressive about it. They were ready to understand that in spirit I can be with them practically and technically. Maybe some places I may not be able to change it, and I can't. But wherever it is possible, we'll give it our best shot, and that's a part of the understanding and talk we've had.
So what will you do exactly? Now the prints are out, the posters are put up. What do you guys plan to do now?
So in the posters and hoardings that belong to the production, which is Red Chillies, we will put a piece of paper on the word Baba, wherever it can be done. In India, we'll send teams. It's a little expensive to try and change the posters. That we could not have done. Some of the prints have gone abroad. They say it's okay. In the censor certificate, we can't change the name, that's the name. So they're okay with that. But wherever it is possible, which is in our producer's hand, Red Chillies, the new prints that will come out, we'll just erase the word Baba. And even in some places in the words and songs, they don't like the word Hajam. So we'll beep it out. That's the best we can do.
The censor cleared your film. So did you try to negotiate with these guys and tell them that it's not a derogatory term or something?
If they understood that, they would not have an issue with it. But it's happening very often that you get a film cleared by censors, but some section or faction of society feels it's not right.
Right. Lastly, I want to just ask you, this is not the first time this is happening. Stars are the most vulnerable in the release of the week, I think. And producers also.
I don't know, yeah. It's been 20 years. I get taken into from PILs on my house to issues which maybe a comment or a joke which is blown out of proportion, to movies being released and characters being depicted in my films or our films, and it's a part of. I guess now it's nicer instead of saying vulnerable to say it's an occupational hazard. Also, maybe I'm a little mellow. I'm going for my surgery, so I'm like, listen, I don't want to hurt anyone. Let's just sit down. And I took a decision without asking anyone else, and I said, go for it. It was just very instantaneous.
Hope they see the film and see that it's just another story. Best of luck, Shah Rukh.
Thank you very
The
much.
release,
God
take
bless
care
you.
of your health.
Thanks a lot.